In this video, I will quickly show you how to check your dividends on the WeBull mobile app. We will look at individual dividends and monthly statements. Note, dividends on WeBull are paid 1 day later than other brokerages. To find individual dividends, click the bottom center button that has your individual account, click History at the top, click on the Orders Record at the top, and click Dividends Records. You can now see all of your individual dividends right here. I most recently got JEPI on 7/7, $72. Now to see your monthly dividends, just head over to Documents at the top, go to Account Statement, go to the most recent one, zoom in, and find Taxable Dividends. So you'll note that this period, which is the month of June, I got paid $1,010.27 in dividends. Now that you have your monthly statement, you can track your dividends how you want, or you can continue watching to see a very quick way to track your monthly dividends. It takes me 5 minutes to do this, and I do this every month. To create your own in a few quick steps, add date and dividends in bold at the top. Type in each month and go through your dividend statements. You'll notice my dividends vary a lot each month because companies pay dividends on a monthly and quarterly basis. They have different days of paying shareholders, and what is important to see is an increase overall in dividends after tracking for at least 1 year. With investing, reinvesting, and increasing dividend yields, we want to see more money in our pockets year over year. Now let's quickly create 2 visually stunning graphs so we can see if our dividends are increasing overall. If they're not, we may want to consider rebalancing or finding better dividend growth companies in which to reinvest. Click and hold your Excel table, then go to the bottom right Explore button. Now this is super fast. Click Explore and you will find a line graph and bar chart. Click and drag the line chart to your preferred destination. You can edit this chart by clicking the 3 lines at the top, then click Edit Chart. If you want to add labels, click the 3 circles to the right of dividends. Click Add Labels, click Date, and click Dividends. You can now see my dividends on the line graph. You can customize this graph how you want. Next, go back to Explore and click and drag the bar graph. You can edit this chart the same way. To edit the numbers, go back to your table and fill in the correct data. The graph will automatically update and you can add the next month as well. I like to look at these graphs to quickly visualize my dividend growth. So now that you have seen how I track my monthly and yearly total dividends, you can use it in your own life and track your own dividends as well. You can use the link in the description below to get my Excel sheet so you don't have to fill this in from scratch. So this is Supergirl Investor here to save the world and make you wealthy. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. I want all parents in yachts by 2025. Let's make everybody future millionaires. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.